I can't believe it's already here. Thanksgiving season's arrived. We are so grateful for you. We're grateful for your business, and we're thankful that God, give thanks to the Lord. He's good. His love endures forever. It's this time of year where everybody gets reflective and they start pondering all that's happened in the year. And we wanted to stop and give thanks for your business. It's our belief that every good and perfect gift comes down from the Father of lights, who does not change like shifting shadows, according to James 1:17. And you are a gift to the Bessire and Associates team. And we wanted to not let a moment pass by without you knowing that we are reflective. We're thinking about you. And we wanted to just say thank you. We appreciate some of you have trusted us to help you build your recruitment brand. Some of you have trusted us with your business advertising budget to try to get more for less. Some of you have just needed brand new wisdom and insights about how to find a new applicant tracking system or how to recruit for very hard to fill positions. Some of you actually are looking into next year and going, wow, it's not going to be an election year. The coffers aren't going to be as full. And Jason, how can I get more for less? And really struggling to find and fill really hard to positions this year. And we've had some success together. So thank you for letting us serve you. Looking into next year, if you've got questions around your toughest to fill 2 or 3 recruitment challenges, give us a call. We love hard to fill, hard to fix stuff. And if you are thinking really, really big right now about what's going to happen next year, call us about some pre-planning. We are happy at any and every step of the way to do as much or as little of the recruitment process as you like. Thank you for your business. Keep living out loud and on purpose. Take care.